Mutogoria wa Bururi nĩerĩgĩrĩirwo gũkagĩa iceera rũciũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Ruraya, ũrĩa nĩwe mũtongoria wa mbere gũkorwo agĩthiĩ gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 10 na mũtongoria wa mbere Afrika gũthiĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Ruraya kuma mwaka wa 2008.
This visit is a historic milestone as the first state visit by a Kenyan head of state in 2 decades and the first by an African head of state since 2008.
Iceera rĩrĩ rĩrona nĩ ndũgũ iria ihu gatagatĩ ga Kenya na bũrũri wa Ruraya, ũrĩa mũgathe erĩgĩrĩirwo gũkanjia iceera rĩake mũciĩ mũnene wa Atlanta, Georgia na gũthiĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Mbere Baptist.
Tomorrow in Atlanta, Georgia, President Ruto's visit will commence there. He will visit the Carter Presidential Library and Museum to emphasize the two countries' shared commitment to governance, democratic values, and anti-corruption efforts. His remarks there will underline the importance of democracies working collaboratively to tackle global challenges. The President will then visit Ebenezer Baptist Church to pay homage to the civil rights struggle and emphasize how religion can be a force for good. This visit will underscore the respect for historical struggles for equality. The President will then shift attention to trade and investment with a visit to Coca-Cola, where new investment partnerships will be announced. He will also then launch Vivo's inaugural store in America. That's a leading Kenyan retail fashion enterprise, showcasing the power of Kenyan women entrepreneurs. President Ruto will thereafter deliver a keynote speech on shared climate solutions at the Smithsonian, discussing global environmental challenges and collaborative efforts to address them. This is what he has been doing, of course, as you know, for the last one and a half years as a champion of climate change and the best way to mitigate climate change. So